Court is calling 2025 CR 011513-02 and 2025 CR 011514, State versus Ruben Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Christopher Ramos for the defense.
And are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes.
And each of the cause numbers, did you review with your attorney the application for deferred adjudication? Did you understand it and sign it? Counsel, in each of the cause numbers, have you received all discovery and did you review it with your client?
Did, and we did review
In each cause number, the court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. And each cause number, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney, Mr. Martinez, and did you understand? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictments in each cause number?
it.
In each cause number, state, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented? Mr. Martinez, in each cause number, did you review the court admonishments and defendant's waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? And cause number ending in 02, you're charged with obstruction or retaliation. And cause number ending in 14, you're charged with terroristic threat or impersonation of a public servant. Both of those are third-degree felonies. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
I did understand.
In each cause number, you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering these pleas, you were giving up those rights?
Here we are.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in each of these cause numbers?
Here we are.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine in each cause number?
I do.
Counsel, in each cause number, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yeah,
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
he does.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do.
Mr. Martinez, in each cause number, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the pleas?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented? If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering into these pleas, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and re-entry. Did you understand?
I did understand.
In each cause number, the court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. In each cause number, did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, I did.
In each cause number, the cases are to run concurrently. The state is requesting that your fine be set at $1,200. The state is silent on your application for deferred adjudication. They're recommending community supervision. Did you understand that to be the plea in each of these case numbers?
Yes.
And in one cause number, they're taking in consideration 2025 CC 013418. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Defense is at the plea?
Yes, sir.
State?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph in each of these cause numbers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
I did.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
I do understand.
Counsel, are there been any such motions?
No, Judge.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There be 120 hours of community service restitution, mental health evaluation, MRT, and parenting classes. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations? Then in each offense, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State, in each cause number, do you have any evidence to support the defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. State offered State's Exhibit 1 and all attachments in both.
No, Judge.
All right, state, have you had a chance to speak to any complainants?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you may be excused. In each cause number, did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yeah.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statement and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yeah.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Yes, Judge. Your court will notice that this offense took place around Father's Day. It was around Father's Day when the mother of his child, who was living in San Antonio, and my client was in El Paso, the mother of his child was denying him access to his son, was not allowing him to have contact with his son via phone. He, in an extreme moment of frustration, he called the non-emergency SCPD number and made a series of inappropriate, criminal, and hostile remarks on recording on 911. His goal was to get 911 and officers to his the location of his son. Unfortunately, he did not know the location of his son or the address of where he was staying. That is to the degree that the mom kept information from him. As he's making these calls, he became incredibly frustrated, which is no excuse, but it is a description of what he was going through. He made a series of calls, and he which were inappropriate, and he totally lost a sense of what was appropriate. So given that circumstance, he realizes, number one, that he accepts that he just made a decision to have a relationship and have a child with somebody that behaves this way. He realizes that his behavior is incredibly inappropriate. He realizes that it was criminal. And as a result, we have negotiated with the court's approval the probation. I have taken a step further, and we're asking the court for deferred status. He does not have a criminal record. He is 45 years old. He does not have, he does have some formal education.
So does he live here in San Antonio or is he in El Paso?
At the moment, he lives in San Antonio. Now, if he has expressed to me that if he does take if he begins to struggle again in San Antonio financially, he's going to move back to El Paso with his mom.
But here's the thing, you're not allowed to move anywhere unless you receive permission from the court. Do you understand?
I do want.
All right, so this is what the court will do. And what is the name of the mother of your child?
Sadie Kirsch. SADIEAIRSCH.
Sorry, A-R,
The
the last name.
KIRSCH.
Oh. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication in cause number 2025 CR 0115113-02. There's a $1,200 fine that will be probated. This will run concurrent with 2025 CR 011514. Taking consideration 2025 CC 013418. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. 100 of those hours we deem satisfied upon completion of anger management. The remaining 20 hours will be deemed satisfied upon completion of parenting. There's to be a MIC evaluation in custody. There's to be no contact with Sadie Kirsch except through the parental portal. Proof of employment within 45 days of a release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice. Probation, is there anything? Just one, sorry. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person and regular random UAs. Probation, is there anything else?
Okay.
Is there anything else you need from the court in regards to that cause number?
A question, Your Honor. Me and my wife are already using a parental app since we're going through.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You'll have to contact, you're only allowed to contact her through a parental app. If y'all are in court for civil hearings, of course, you can proceed with that. All right. And cause number 2025 CR 011514. The court will sentence you to 8 years deferred adjudication. $1,200 fine probated. This is the run concurrently with 2025 CR 011513-02. 120 hours of community service restitution. 100 hours deducted for completion of anger management. The remaining 20 deducted for completion of parenting classes. NIC evaluation in custody. No contact with Sadie Kirsch except through the parental portal. Proof of employment within 45 days. No employment as a home care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice, and regular reporting by Zoom or in person, and regular random UAs. In each cause number, did you review the documents entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
I did, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I do, Your Honor.
You have to make better choices, right? I know that custody issues, people get heated with that, but you can't do that. You'll have to use the legal system. You understand? All right, good luck to you. Thank you.